Before you spend your hard-earned money on the shampoo everyone is talking about, you need to see this, because the truth about Tgideas Rosemary Shampoo in 2025 is not as simple as miracle cure or total scam. I tested Tgideas Rosemary Shampoo to see if the big claims about improving scalp health, reducing hair loss, and promoting hair growth with ingredients like rosemary extract, amino acids, and keratin actually hold up in real-world use, and my results were mixed. On the positive side, the shampoo does clean well, has a pleasant herbal scent, produces decent lather, and leaves hair feeling softer and smoother thanks to the keratin and conditioning agents. And after consistent use, my scalp did feel less itchy and less oily than before, which is a noticeable improvement. However, when it comes to the biggest promise, visible hair growth or clear hair loss reversal, there was no dramatic change, even after following the routine properly for several weeks, meaning any improvements were subtle at best and could easily fall into the category of normal scalp care benefits rather than true hair growth treatment. Rosemary can help support scalp circulation, but there's no strong evidence that a shampoo alone can reverse thinning hair, and Tgideas doesn't provide any clinical proof backing their bolder marketing claims. As for Tgideas.net itself, the store looks functional and orders do arrive, but the site lacks transparency about company ownership, scientific studies, or third-party testing, which raises some trust concerns even though it's not an outright scam operation. So in 2025, Tgideas Rosemary Shampoo sits in the middle ground. It's not fake, but it's definitely not a miracle solution either. It works fine as a regular herbal shampoo with mild scalp benefits, but if you're expecting major hair regrowth or dramatic shedding reduction, you're likely to be disappointed. Always approach products like this with realistic expectations and consider this more of a scalp care shampoo than a true hair loss treatment.